Test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. It's December already. I actually got to update the recap. So let me actually do that really quick. What's going on, y'all? We're gonna wait a couple minutes, see some more people pop up in here. I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking stuff down. There we go. So I dropped the Sunday chart analysis for y'all last night. If you haven't checked that out yet, make sure to go ahead and check that out. One pair kind of started to go ahead and do the move, which was EU. Did a nice drop. Again, we was talking about the setup. We dropped the Sunday chart analysis. Let's go ahead and pull it up. We dropped it last night at 9:49 p.m. So if you would have saw this at even 10 o'clock, which would be at 2200 right here, you would have been able to catch this small little setup. It did a little nice drop, about 15 pip move, but the day just started. Missed that setup. We got GJ, broke this low, was doing a retest. We're going to look for GJ sells on this. We're looking at possible gold sells. If it can hold this level as resistance. We got a few setups we're looking at right now. Again, as far as news today, we do have one news event at 10 a.m. So be on the lookout for that. And it is the first week of the month. So, of course, we got all these news events popping off. Like on Wednesday, the infamous 815 ADP. On Friday, we got the infamous unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. So, you know, we're going to be going live with the members during those events. But yeah, so we're going to keep this on GJ right here. All right, we got students the next 15 to 5 minutes pops up. Again, if we can hold 190.60 as resistance, we can look for sales going to 189.35. We've been catching the sales down so far. Again, last week was a little bit of a different week due to all the holidays and all that. Well, not all the holidays, but due to the holiday, all that stuff going on. We're back at it. All right. So again, it is December. So I've been talking about this literally since way before the beginning of quarter three. I've been talking about it since quarter two. But again, there's still going to be some nice trading days this month as well. There should be a still good 2.5, if not 2 at least, good weeks of trading. Of course, you know, we're going to have all those holidays towards the end, right? Like we go to, you know, towards the end of December, right? So this week, next week should be fine. The third week, we might have some nice moves. It should be smooth as well. Friday's the 20th. Yeah, so the third week should be fine as well. We'll know once we get there. But of course, the last week of December going towards the end, that's when we have all these holidays. So like from like the 23rd. So like, this entire week is probably gonna be dead. We might be able to catch a move Monday, if that, but the last week of December is going to be dead for the most part because again we got all these holidays and like everything's going to be closed, everything's going to be dead. Depending on the pairs, you won't even be able to trade them even if you wanted to. And then of course, you know, yeah, so it's going to be like 2 weeks straight of, you know, just not no trading. But we got 3 weeks before all of that, so we're not even going to worry about that. Just want to give you all a heads up. For those that's new to trading or haven't traded around this time of the year before, just let y'all know how things go down. But you already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to go ahead and hit that like on the stream. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Now, If y'all holding XRP, man, or any of the coins I've been posting on my Instagram story or TikTok story, check y'all's accounts, bro, because this is the second weekend in a row where they're just feeding us. Market's been absolutely going crazy. And I've been getting questions about updates. Y'all, check out the. I'm gonna update the playlist a little bit, but check out most recent content. I'm going to do updates on more than just Bitcoin. Um, so again, you guys got questions about either the coins I've been talking about, make sure just either have the notifications on or just explore the channel because I'm going to talk about at least about once this week or once every week, multiple times, especially when we hit key prices. And that's what all the coins I talk about and post. But also the crypto telegram, we start posting on there this week, like I've been telling y'all for the past week or so. I already opened it up and sent the link out to the members of the student. Of course, y'all got in that automatically. But anyone else that's interested in that, we posting world news, weekly news going on with certain coins. I'm going to give y'all, throughout the week, like trending coins that's moving the best or moving the most, whether that's to the upside or downside. And also gonna let y'all know, like basically price points I'm looking at for certain coins, all bunch of stuff, right? And it's probably gonna evolve as time goes on. But again, it's a free Telegram, but all you gotta do to get inside it is three things: be sub to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You'll see the Instagram and TikTok scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Once you do all three of those, just send me a screenshot, and then I'll send you the link. All right, so again, we got a few setups we're looking at right here. We're looking at possible GU sales, we're looking at GJ sales, and possible gold sales. They're all kind of doing the same thing as well, we're just kind of retesting and figuring out if they want to hold this level or not. So we're just going to keep our eyes on this chart right here. Those are joining the stream. We have not entered this trade yet. It's just a trade out here. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Again, it's a new month, so that means we had an update and did the recap of last month. We absolutely dominated November as well. We've been killing it every month all year, but we're just gonna talk about November right now. We ended November 14-1. Only took one loss last month. It gives a 93% win rate, catching 14,549 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of November. You'll see how we ended October as well, 15-1. And then again, we just recap the day at the end every day, recap the week at the end every week. And at the beginning of every week, just like this week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis going over not just what we see price doing throughout Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. So make sure to check out last night's Sunday chart analysis. But yeah, it's Monday, so we're just waiting for volume to kick in right now. We actually had a nice little dump Sunday night, right before London session, which is nice. So again, we're just waiting to see what holds up as a resistance, and then we'll go from there. We got a few minutes till the next 5 minute pops up. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We can use charts. Drop them in the chat. Still waiting for the markets to wake up. Again, it is Monday. Mondays and Tuesdays are typically the slower days out the week. Things tend to pick up Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday are usually the smoothest days with the most volume. Just had a new 5-minute pop up. Let's see how this candlestick ends. Again, you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. All right, new 15 just popped up. Yeah, so EU is going crazy right now. Waiting to see if GU is going to follow suit. That's like the only pair right now that's kind of moving. Again, we don't chase trades over here, so we're still just going to be patient. Looks like GJ might try to do something though as well. Again, it's been consolidating here for a very, very long time. As we can see here, we see clear pushes to the downside, clear lower lows. But we're kind of just chilling right here. We was treating this level as support, broken. Now we're trying to see if we can hold this level as resistance. If so, we can see the next lower low come into play. So that's what we're really just waiting for right here. Nice wick on the daily. You might see a break in a little bit. Whoops, wrong time frame. Like always, y'all guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts. Drop them in the chat. I'm kind of like how this is looking here. We're about to see how this 15 closes right here.